Hey, what's up you guys? So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to show you how I cut my ends and how I moisturize my hair. And as you can see, my hair is super dry right now, especially like the center of my head is super dry and my ends have been so shabby lately. So like instead of using a shampoo, I'm going to actually co-wash with this exotic Kool-Aid conditioner by the Main Choice. And this conditioner can also be used as a leave-in conditioner as well. Then afterwards, I'm going to use this hair mask by It's a 10, and this is their Silk Miracle hair mask, which is super bomb, and it's great for detangling. Like, I love this hair mask. So my hair is freshly washed with conditioner, not shampoo, and I have no product in my hair at the moment. So I'm just going to start off by sectioning my hair into like 4 sections because I'm going to start by cutting my ends, and it's just easier when I do it when it's sectioned off. And also, you guys, let me tell y'all what happened. So I had a sew-in a couple months ago, and I caught myself trying to take this sew-in out by myself, right? So as I'm cutting the string, I couldn't quite tell like where the string was at. My hair is like dark and the string is black, so I couldn't tell where the string was at. And I end up cutting my whole braid in half. So that is the little piece of hair you will see sticking up on the top of my head throughout the beginning of this video. And it's so annoying, like, oh my God, it's making me cringe so bad. So what I'm just gonna do is take these shear scissors, and I always make sure to use shear scissors because if you use regular scissors, that can actually create split ends in itself. So you wanna just use shear scissors because it cuts the hair better. I can't even explain it, but it's just better. So I take each section and just make little sections out of the bigger sections and go ahead and comb my hair out and cut my ends. It's very simple. I'm only cutting about a ½ inch. I'm not cutting that much off. And I like to cut my hair when it's wet. And mind you guys, I only cut my ends about once or twice a year. Sometimes I get it done professionally if I get my hair straightened, which isn't frequent. I only straighten my hair once or twice a year. But then sometimes when I haven't went to the hairdresser in so long and I just notice my hair is not looking as it should be, it's a little frizzy, my ends are shabby, I just go ahead and take some scissors and do it myself. And as you see, it's not much that I'm cutting off, just like a ½ inch. And I'm just going to continue to do that throughout my whole head. And I know that some people like to cut their hair maybe once a year, twice a year, once a month, every 2 weeks. It's different for everybody depending on how much damage you do to your hair, and also like if you're transitioning or if your hair just grows really fast. Like split ends happen no matter if your hair is healthy, damaged, split ends happen. So you do want to make sure you're at least trimming your hair at least once or twice a year. I do it every 4 to 6 months and that works for me. My hair does grow kind of fast, so I do want to make sure to get rid of those split ends, because if you don't get rid of the split ends, the split will just travel up the hair strand and causing the whole hair strand to just break off, which means your hair is just breaking off. So you do want to take care of the problem before it makes matters worse. So now that those split ends are gone, I can instantly tell the difference. I can tell better once my hair is dry, but my hair is always a little more healthier looking once my ends are cut. My curls look a little more prominent and better. So now I'm just going to start styling my hair, and I'm going to lay down that annoying piece of hair first and part my hair my desired style. And when I style my hair, I like to put it in sections so the product is distributed easier. Now I'm going to go in with this It's a 10 Miracle Daily Conditioner, which I love to use since it's so lightweight. It's not super thick. I hate thick conditioners. Anything that weighs my hair down, I just do not like it. So I'm going to distribute that all throughout each section of my hair. And you guys, this stuff is called It's a 10 because apparently it does 10 things. It detangles, it makes your hair soft, it reduces frizz, it's build-up free, it preserves hair color if you have any type of hair dye, it has UV protection, so it's like a sunscreen for your hair. It hydrates, restores shine. It's great for strength and vitality, and it's a thermal protection. So now I'm just going to go in with this curl defining cream, and this is by Rizzo's Curl. And I prefer a curl defining cream rather than a curl defining custard or a gel, because custards and gel, they just weigh my hair down. So once my hair dries, it doesn't look as big and curly as I would like it to be. But this cream is super lightweight and it smells really good. It has aloe, coconut oil, and shea butter in it. So it smells so good. But now I'm going to go ahead and use my coconut oil, which is my holy grail. I use it for almost every wash and go, every time I style my hair. Basically almost every day. I use it on my skin too. I heard you could use coconut oil on your teeth to make it whiter too. Coconut oil is just like a holy grail. If you don't have coconut oil in your house, what are you doing? So now I'm just going to take this dimming brush. Well, that's not really a dimming brush. It's like the dupe of the dimming brush. It's the same thing though. And go ahead and brush my hair out. And this is just going to distribute the product all throughout my hair, so every hair strand is coated and moisturized. And it also defines your curls. I love this brush. Some people hate it, some people love it. I love it, and it just defines my curls so much. So once my hair dries, my curls are like already clumped up basically, and I just break them apart once my hair is dry. And today I'm using Got2B Glued for my edge control. I love how it's been looking. I've been using that lately. And I'm just going to go ahead and wait for my hair to dry, and I'll be back. So my hair is pretty much dry at this point, and I notice like when I moisturize my hair just eats up every product I put in it. It's almost like I didn't do anything to it. So I'm just going to top it off with a little bit of this Honey Health and Repair hair oil from Urban Hydration. This has argan oil and sweet vanilla bean oil in it, so it smells really bomb. And I'm just putting that on the ends of my hair and on the back of my head. And this is pretty much what I like to do to revive my curls. So for more videos like this, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Mwah.